In this video, we will explain how to read the data found in Oregon Values and Belief Center's Annotated Questionnaire. Each annotated questionnaire begins with an introduction indicating survey fielding dates, general question topics, sample size, time to complete, and additional methodology practices such as quality control measures, pretesting, monitoring, and weighting. For more information on weighting, scroll to the bottom of OVBC's Navigating Our Data webpage. The margin of error is shown under the Statement of Limitations section. We also acknowledge community partners who were collaborators on the survey below a blurb about OVBC. Again, for more information about margin of error, scroll to the bottom of OVBC's Navigating Our Data webpage. After the Introduction and Methodology section of the Annotated Questionnaire, we transcribe the entire survey. Older OVBC data shows tables, while newer Annotated Questionnaire files include more visual graphics. Each question will show the total number of people who responded. In this example, 1,763 people, and the percentage of people who selected each response. These percentages serve as the statewide responses to each question in the survey. For example, in question 2, 35% of Oregonians say they have a big impact in making their community a better place to live. OVBC rounds to the nearest whole number. For this reason, some bucketed percentages, such as the one you see below, may not look like a simple addition of the percentages to the left. Those who believe they make a big impact in their communities, 35%, and those who say they make a moderate impact, 38%, are bucketed into a larger category, showing respondents who are more likely to believe they have an impact on their community, 72%. 35 plus 38 is 73, but because we rounded 34.7 to 35% and 37.6 to 38%, the correct rounded percentage for this bucketed group is 72%. Questions that indicate respondents should select more than one response will result in totals higher than 100%. These are called multi-select questions. If a category has less than a 1% response rate, an N equals symbol is indicated to show the number of people who selected that response. Open-ended questions are saved in our sortable verbatim files, which are available upon request. For more information about our verbatim document, go to the verbatim section of OVBC's Navigating Our Data page. Matrix questions typically ask the same question under different circumstances. In this example, the question is, do you agree or disagree with the following statements? Each statement is different, but has the same response categories above. Strongly agree, somewhat disagree, strongly disagree, and don't know. To read this table, we can see that 15% of the 1,906 respondents strongly agreed that Oregon is the best place to be a kid. Ranked questions show the options that respondents ranked on the left-hand side of the table under response category. In the columns to the right are the percentages that survey takers ranked as the most, second most, and third most likely to occur. In this example, we can see that 12% of respondents said that put it on my credit card was their most likely choice to get the money they need. The annotated questionnaire ends with demographic questions. These questions allow us to align our data's representativeness with Oregon's U.S. Census demographics for adults 18+. and analyze data by subgroups in our crosstab files. For more information on crosstabs and weighting, scroll to the bottom of OVBC's Navigating Our Data webpage. This was a basic run-through of how to read OVBC Annotated Questionnaire. If you ever have difficulty accessing, reading, or understanding the documents we provide alongside our reports, please reach out to us at info@oregonvbc.org or check out our other videos on the Navigating Our Data webpage.